Yeah guys, just still playing around with the 620B here. In the last video I said that I had this thing working, and I did to a point. But for whatever reason the radio would not put out any more than maybe 8 watts on sideband. The radio should be capable of doing 20 watts easy. Well, close to that, 12 watts. Like I say, I replaced the driver and the final up here. I had so much power output, so I said, okay, well, I went through the tuning stage of it, had her on the service monitor. The most I could get out of her was 8 watts. 8.6, I think that was it. And on AM, the most I could get is 1 watt. And I went through all the tuning down here, as it says in the manual, had to tune up. Done all that, done the CW, done what I was supposed to do. And then I got as far as this capacitor here, which is, trying to use another light here, it's TC502. But once I got to that trimmer cap, she lost all power. And I mean all power. It's very odd, boy. But she lost all power when I got here. Don't know why. Very odd. And so then I left her alone for a day. Yesterday I didn't touch her. Turned around today, went and touched 502, and now I'm getting power again. Not as much power, but I'm getting some power. When I first started, I'm just using them over ear testing right now for signal strength, field strength more than anything. And at first I was getting very little field strength, and so I just tweaked 502 up here again, and then I managed to get power back again. So something's not 100% in here in this tank circuit. Whatever it is, something is not working right. It's very weird what's going on. So I checked the voltages, 9 volt and 12 volt. Everything, all the voltages are correct the way they're supposed to be. And another thing I found that the calibrator here, this board, seems to only work when it wants to work, even though it's getting 9 volts. Very odd. Again, when the radio was transmitting fine, the calibrator was working. And now that the transmitter is kind of weird and not working 100%, now the calibrator ain't working. So it's something very strange going on with this 620B. Could I have a couple of bad caps? Exhibit A and Exhibit B. I mean, I can't see ceramic caps going bad, like really. But, I mean, I suppose anything's possible. Anything's possible. So, I don't know. Anyways, let's throw this little video at you there. A little bit of an update, I guess, on the 620. I know I got a few people there following along here with this repair. But I am moping through it slowly. And there's a pre-driver right there. RF pre-driver dumps in the yellow cable, and the yellow cable dumps into the PA section, which goes to the driver. The driver dumps into the final dumps into the output, which is then the antenna connector. But yeah, anyways, I shall continue to muddle through this, and if anybody's got any suggestions or ideas, or come across something like this before, let me know. It don't even need to be a 620B. It's just, if anybody had this type of PA and experienced this kind of weird problem with it, I'm almost sure it's something to do with this PA board, but I'm not 100% sure what yet. Anyway, got any suggestions, ideas, let me know, post them below. Alright guys, take it easy.